From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley with today's opening print. You know, we've worked for Marty the Pitbull Schwartz for a long time, and one of the comparisons that he's making about the current futures markets right now is that a lot of them are like moving water around in the bathtub. In other words, he's really pointed out how the programs and algorithmic programs move the futures markets to and from buy stops all day long. Now this morning, PPI came out a little lower and retail sales came in line. But what we want to point out here is that there is this tendency for the S&P to be up a day, down a day during the expiration, and that's really what we've been seeing so far this week. The high in the S&P Globex session this morning came in at 1320.75. The low came in at 1311.75 just after the numbers, and last we're 1313 even. We're down 7 handles. Total volume in the mini S&P is 400,000 contracts with 1.2 thousand big S&Ps traded. You know what, we're going to just point out a couple of stops areas here in the S&P. Above the 1322 area, you'll see some buy stops, and above 1327, there's buy stops. These are the areas that we'll be looking on the upside. And on the downside, there's sell stops under 1306 and 1299, yesterday's low. We'll be back with another Mr. Top Step opening print.